Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell PDF files online on Sellfy. So first head over to sellfy.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, you should see an add new product button at the top right corner of your screen. So just click on it. Next, since we're trying to sell a PDF file, choose digital product. Then here, start adding product details about the PDF file you're trying to sell. You can add images in this section and of course add in the product name, description, category, and also price settings. Also choose your currency and the amount and of course add in stock and variants. Variants only if applicable. Then next head back to the top and switch to files. This is where you're going to attach the PDF files you're going to sell. So you can browse on your computer or select from uploaded, open your PDF file. Here you also have an option to enable PDF stamping. This basically protects your products from being shared after purchase. Then before everything else, you can also require billing address for the customers. Then once done, head over and click on Save Product. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!